Recently moved and I realised that I've got way too many things and that I sort of need to have a sort out and clear out of not only just my clothes but my stuff in general. So I thought I would film it. You may be thinking that the logical thing would have been to do it before I moved, but logic isn't necessarily something that I possess. Let's do it. I'm going to start with my clothes, which are right behind me. Actually, not all of my clothes are behind me because they don't all fit in there. Here are my tops. I do have some other stuff in the laundry, but because I've worn those recently, I'm not going to get rid of them. They're stuff that I do wear. I'm not going to talk you through everything, but I will for some things. So I've got my hoodie and I wear this all the time, so there's no way I'm getting rid of it. I've got some vest tops that I don't wear in England, but I do wear when I go home or when I'm somewhere that's warmer. Sometimes I wear them in the winter as vests. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. I have 3 dresses in total. I don't really wear dresses, but then every now and then there's a smart occasion that I sort of need one, and then I'm like, okay, what do I wear? So I've got this one. I've had this since my 2nd year of university and I'm not ready to part with it because I feel like, I don't know, it's like a black dress. It's quite smart. It's knee length, I think. Yeah, it's potentially even a bit lower than knee length. So I feel like it's quite useful. This, it's inside out, but I'm going to turn it around for you. It's basically a polo shirt and it's reworked, so it's more like a crop top, and I really like this. I like how it looks and everything, but it's a little bit too small for me. Like, it makes my ribs hurt, and that's not how you're meant to feel in a top. So I'm probably going to sell this on Vinted. I got this for my cousin's wedding and I don't think I've worn it since. My cousin's wedding was in 2019, so I think it's safe to say that I'm not going to wear it again, so that can go into the to sell pile. I'm just going to say stay. And I've got another dress, and this is my favourite dress that I have. I bought it like a month ago, not even a month ago, a couple of weeks ago, from TK Maxx for £14, so not bad at all. I haven't worn it yet, but I know I definitely will, so I'm going to keep that. So yeah, then I'm keeping this crop top, keeping this top. And then we've got my graduation dress, which I don't think I'm going to wear again, but I'm trying to think if I've got any occasions coming up, because I'm scared I'm going to regret getting rid of like nice clothes, because I don't have that many. I got it off of Vinted, so I feel like I might just pass it on. That was the intention, to be honest. I'll keep it in my wardrobe for now, but yeah, I will see if I haven't worn it to anything by the end of the summer. I will get rid of it because I'm not going to wear it in the winter. The thing is, I don't want to get rid of clothes and then have to replace them, because that's kind of pointless unless I absolutely hate something. I have this massive bin bag full of stuff that I don't want, so I'm going to separate it into Vinted and I'm going to make another pile over here for charity. In here I have a mix of pyjamas and shorts because there's only one shelf in my wardrobe and it's full, so this is the only other storage I have for my other things. So I'm just going to sort through these as well. These I'll keep. These I'll probably sell. Corduroy, if you know anything about me, it's that I love corduroy. I'm already getting rid of one pair in this video. I'm not getting rid of any more. And then these are more joggers, so yeah, I'm just gonna put these back. Not really much that I need to clear out from trousers, so I'm gonna be honest. Pyjamas might be a bit of a different story, but I'm not entirely sure because I've got loads of like random tops that I wear as pyjamas, and then I've got these 2 tops that... Okay, so if you've been around for a while or if you've seen some of my old videos, and when I say I mean my mum, embroidered these for a video. when I was trying TikTok DIYs back in 2020. Back in like 2020 lockdown, I was trying TikTok DIYs, and this is what I embroidered and this is what my mum did, and you can basically scan it and it comes up with a song on Spotify. The choice of song was a little bit questionable, I'm gonna be honest. But I can't part with these. And this one is the same but a coloured version. Over here I've got some stuff that needs sorting out. Don't know if I'm going to get through it all today, I'm going to be honest. So this suitcase is my winter coats. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. So this, I know straight away I'm going to sell or something, or donate, I'm not really sure yet. I haven't had it for that long at all, to be honest. I got it in my last apartment, but this apartment does have a, what's it called, like a bath mat. So I don't really, or a shower mat, I don't really need it anymore, so it's just taking up space. I've got this jumper that I made, I'm not parting with this. Oh, why is it going on the vintage pile then? And I've got a couple of hoodies, and I do wear these ones, so I am keeping them. This I can sort through. I've got a bunch of like yarn and thread. I'm going to keep this, and then I've got a couple of canvases with paintings that I actually don't mind. This I did in a painting class last year. I might put them up. I might put them there actually. Yeah. I don't know if the heater will stretch the canvas or anything, I might regret that. They can go there for now. And then I've got picture frames. My art journal, and this is like bucket list journal. I love this. This was a birthday present from my brother. Best birthday present, like hands down. And then this is my art journal. So art journal, like sketchbook even. Like, can you donate glasses? Like, is there something you can do with them? Because yeah, I don't need all these glasses. Some of them I am going to update my prescription with, so I do need to have a bit of a trial session, see what I like and what I don't like anymore. Oh wow, I might have actually made myself some space. But then everything else, until I get rid of it, is just going to annoy me so much. So this is like a little old first aid kit that I have that's got stuff in here that's definitely expired. Yeah, so I've got some paracetamol from like 2019. My problem is that I want to be an eyeshadow girly so bad. I mean, look at those colours, they're insane. But my eyes just can't handle eyeshadow. Every now and then I try, and I love doing it so much, but it just hurts. My eyes are too dry. As far as shoes go, those are my only 3 pairs. I wear my trainers all the time, and I wear my boots very frequently as well. My heels over there I got for graduation, and that's the only time I've worn them, but that was like only a month ago, and I haven't really been to any nice occasions since. So I'm not going to get rid of any of my art stuff today. That's a job for another day, and also I use most of it anyway. So I'm going to tackle this suitcase next, and I think that's the last thing I'm going to do. This has mostly books and uni notes, so I don't think I'm actually going to get rid of that many things. There's a few books that I might, but see, the thing is, I want to keep them because I want to take them home, but my parents live on the other side of Europe, so I can't really do that. So thank you so much for watching. I now need to go on to Vinted and sell everything, and I also need to go to the charity shops to donate what I'm not going to sell. If you'd like to see me do some more decluttering and organising, this time digitally, then I would definitely check out this video where I set up my Notion in a very, very sad attempt to try and get my life together.